welcome back to the ICICI Bank SME CEO Knowledge Series. We're in Pune and we're talking to a lot of SME, the whole sector of the auto industry. A lot of SMEs are attached to it. Just before the break, Mr. Satya Prasad of ICICI Bank Cluster Banking was talking about the kind of liquidity tightness the banks have also witnessed. But to somewhat counter the whole problem, the government has also taken steps in terms of tax cuts. The CENVAT has come down by 4%. We've seen that being passed on, probably not fully, but a little bit in the auto industry. Mr. Mani is here with me from Deloitte. Do you see some more measures coming in from the government? Or first, if you could comment on the CENVAT cut, has it been effective?
The first thing which we need to understand is that the CENVAT cut in the middle of a year is unprecedented in the country. I do not recollect in the last 10 years where we have had a cut in the CENVAT rate in the middle of a financial year. And the fact that the government seems to have gone in for a cut which is as high as 4%, and this also needs to be seen keeping in mind that in the Finance Act of 2008, the CENVAT rate had already been cut by 2%. Now there is a 4% further reduction in the CENVAT. Now this is unprecedented. Now as far as whether there are some more cuts which are expected from the government, I would say that largely depends on the ability of the industry to respond to what cuts the government has announced. In the auto sector specifically, we had the automobile company with the largest market share in the country passing on the cuts the next day after the CENVAT cuts were announced. So the day the CENVAT cuts were announced, that's from the same day night, whatever factory billing took place, they reduced the prices of cars. This has been followed by several other automobile manufacturers as well. To a large extent, what the government would be doing is monitoring as to whether these rate cuts are translating into reduction in end prices for the final user. If they get translated, the government would like to give a further stimulus.
So Biradar, what are you expecting from here onwards?
Material cost still again has to go down. And
further down from here, you would say?
And the whatever packages in the auto industries, development ke liye jo bhi we are spending more time in that one. And again whatever the labor payments we are paying, that is also a little bit tough one in things, and government has to be, the bank interest to be still more reduced in that way.
You're expecting interest rates to come down. Mr. Satya Prasad, do we see a situation कि interest rates और कम हो, especially SME के लिए?
Interest rates wouldn't be specifically reduced or increased for a particular sector, but definitely there are, all signs of lowering of interest rates across the board. It should happen, I think, in the next 2 to 6 weeks. We see 2 or 3 rounds of interest rates being announced, across the board.
Mr. Oza, जब लेबर कॉस्ट की बात हो रही है, आप पहले कह रहे थे कि लोगों की छटनी ना करें, लेकिन जब आपके ऊपर इतने प्रेशर्स हैं, किस तरह की मैन पावर ट्रेनिंग यहाँ पर काम आ सकती है? जब आपका प्लान 6 दिन के लिए बंद होता है, क्या कर सकते हैं हम उस टाइम में?
नॉलेज गेन करने के लिए सबसे अच्छा पीरियड है, by giving a training. Another thing is that even the associations also should take care that such type of workshops be organized in the industrial areas, so that the any individual small scale unit, if they are not able to give a training programs to their workers, the association should take care of all these activities.
Mr. Rajiv, if you could address one fact, are Indian component manufacturers moving up the value chain? You know, when you compare to China, they're dumping a lot of cheaper components in India, in other parts of the globe. Are Indian component manufacturers, like NQ perhaps, moving up the value chain? Earlier you used to make it for tier 1, tier 2. Are we going up, higher up the value chain always?
Yes, a lot of capability in the Indian ancillaries. They have proved it in the past and they are doing it today also. Because even particularly automakers also put in a lot of pressure on ancillaries to get more and more value-added products.
Mr. Satya Prasad, I'm sure this is one problem you've been facing on a day-to-day basis, that a lot of SMEs come to you, the client has not paid them, they had an export order which has not gone through. How can banks help here?
Banks are now capable in terms of extending the period, because earlier RBI had said the credit period, the credit you can extend to a person who has exported is made available for up to say 6 months, 180 days to be more precise, at a concessional rate. Now, recently, last week, RBI has relaxed that norm, saying that up to 270 days, you can extend that credit and at a concessional rate.
Dr. Agnihotri, what is your view on it? How do you think auto component manufacturers can now balance between the existing businesses, the slowdown, or perhaps the exposure to one particular client? You think there needs to be a balance between the two, and how do you balance the risk mostly?
We all know that it's auto industry which drives any economy. Okay. There are several other economies which also depends on auto industry. And as a SME manufacturer who is a supplier to a major automobile manufacturer, his role is quite restricted and limited in his own way in protecting himself, because he is dependent on the order that he gets from the main manufacturer.
Mr. Biradar, since you're a part of this industry and you're lower down the line, you're not as, you don't have a heavy pocket or, pockets full of cash like the big fish, like an M&M or a Maruti or a Bajaj Auto. Are you willing or are you in a situation कि आप profits को थोड़ा बहुत compromise कर सके अगले 6 महीने, अगले 8 महीने, शायद 1 साल तक?
Definitely the profit तो reduce करना ही पड़ेगा. Without this profit reduction you can't survive.
Alright, so component manufacturers also willing to probably somewhat compromise on profits in tight times like these. We'll take a quick break and get right back.
रात के 11 बजे थे, कार इंश्योरेंस खत्म हो रहा था, मुझे चाहिए थी इंस्टेंट पॉलिसी और मिल गई ICICIlombard.com पर। मुझे मिला हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस बिना किसी कागजात के। कैसे? लॉग ऑन करिए ICICIlombard.com पर।
प्लेन उड़ने में बस 2 घंटे थे और ट्रैवल इंश्योरेंस भूल ही गई। I got it online at ICICIlombard.com.
Log on to ICICIlombard.com. Instant policy बिना किसी कागजात के। Many of my patients complain of a sharp pain whenever they eat cold or hot food. For sensitive teeth, I recommend new Colgate Sensitive. Colgate Sensitive works rapidly on the source of the pain and forms a protective shield for fast relief. New Colgate Sensitive toothpaste, fast relief from pain of sensitive teeth. Use with ultra-soft Colgate Sensitive toothbrush for best results. Ask your dentist. Colgate, #1 brand recommended by dentists. Retrace the passage of spinning balls. Go back over every moment of those incredible shots. Get awestruck as we bring you back to the best of golf. Watch the SLPGTI 2009 rollout just for you. At these times, only on CNBC TV 18. A realty giant who has emerged stronger in these difficult times. Corsons India Limited, delivering dream homes. Thanks to his famous patient, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, Dr. Ramakant Panda is now a household name.
At one point, it struck you that you were holding the Prime Minister's heart.
I love surgeries. It was not really that stressful, except around 10% of the times.
Why do you think it has inspired people to